Are you looking for the best outdoor grill tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best outdoor grill tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Jymax Outdoor Grill Table. Equipped with 2 side tables, this will offer you maximum convenience. The outdoor grill table is composed of aluminum and engineered wood, and it comes in a one-piece design. Furthermore, you can have easy storage as it comes in a folding design. Moreover, this helps to free up your space, and you can set it in no time. The product also has hanging hooks along with a paper towel holder. It includes a carrying bag and is highly portable. Additionally, it features an anti-rust steel frame that makes sure there will be easy maintenance. At number 4, Red Swing Portable Grill Table. The compact design of this outdoor grill table will let you have easy storage. This is also very lightweight, and the maximum load capacity is 60 pounds. Moreover, this will allow you to have easy cleaning, and you can easily choose from 2 different heights. It comes in a durable design and has high heat resistance. Furthermore, the product features an X-shaped support for better stability. Additionally, this is available in a folding design and features an iron mesh tabletop. At number 3, Giantex Folding Grill Table. Composed of high-quality aluminum and alloy steel, this will make sure there will be enhanced longevity. The outdoor grill table allows you to have easy storage as it is available in a folding design. Moreover, this has versatile usage and allows you to take it anywhere you want. The product comes with built-in hooks along with a paper towel holder. You will also find a large top surface along with 2 side tables. Additionally, the lower shelf will offer you ample storage shelf space. Furthermore, this is very easy to use and has a lightweight construction. At number 2, Ketter Outdoor Table for Grill. Here is an outdoor grill table that comes in a compact size. This can be great for limited spaces, and it has a storage capacity of 40 gallons. Additionally, the resin construction gives it an appealing look. Moreover, this is also very durable and can be great for all types of weather conditions. With this, you don't have to worry about denting or rusting. It comes with multiple accessories so that you can have maximum convenience. Furthermore, it features a large tabletop that lets you have easy cleaning. It comes with adjustable legs and meets all your needs. At number 1, Ketter Portable Table for Grill Accessories. The outdoor grill table has a durable construction so that you can use it for a long time. This has an appealing texture and is suitable for all types of weather conditions. Additionally, you don't have to worry about peeling, denting, or rusting. You will also find a stainless steel upper surface so that there will be easy cleaning. Moreover, this includes multiple accessories including a paper towel holder and the bottle opener. Furthermore, the product also comes with 2 wheels for having easy portability. It is available in a versatile design and has a large capacity. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.